guys, I just got my package in the mail. I won the giveaway from Bible Journaling on a Budget. She has such cool, awesome videos, and I'm so happy that I won this giveaway, and I can't wait to use all this Bible Journaling stuff. This is the package. She decorated it so cute. It's so cute how she decorated it. She put so many cute stickers on it. So I'm going to open it and try not to mess it up because it's so cute. So I think I can open it this way, maybe. Yay! Okay. I probably can reuse this washi tape for Bible journaling stuff. Try to open it and not ruin it. So I'll get back to you because it's hard to film with one hand when I've opened the package open. And yeah, we have all of our stuff that I won. So excited. It's so cute. Here's the stuff. I got this Bible journaling book that I'm so excited about. It has so many awesome cool things in it to use for Bible journaling. Awesome stickers, awesome traceables, just some awesome stuff that I can do some little inspiration pictures and cool stuff like that. So excited about this. Has all this cool stuff in here. I'll definitely be posting some videos using this book to Bible journal. This watercolor set of paint, which is really cool because I don't have any watercolor paint at all, and I love how watercolor stuff looks in your Bible. And this will give me the opportunity to try out watercolor, so I'm so happy to have that, and I'll have to try that out and make a video about that. Pencils are always an amazing thing to have. They're so great to use in your Bible, so I'm very happy about that. And here's the Mod Podge. I don't have any of this, and you can use to glue stuff down and do all that kinds of stuff, and I don't have any of that, and I have a brush to go with it. That's so awesome because I didn't have any of that stuff either, and I'm so happy. I can't believe that I won this giveaway. And I have a bunch of little washi tapes in there, and that's cool to use also with Bible journaling. But I'm so happy and blessed, and I really didn't think I would win this, and now I have some stuff to add to my Bible journaling kit because I'm just now starting out. This, she has a little letter or something in this little packaging. Sweet little thank you card in there. Just wrote a nice little kind letter to me. And then are these little cards that I could probably put in my Bible or use as something like a bookmarker or something like where I'm reading in my Bible. And then this card, you can color this card and put that in my Bible. That's really cool. I'll put her channel in the link below so you can go subscribe to her channel. It's really great. And I'll just see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.